How do you make money with Fundsz? Staking is the passive income component. On average, you will get paid 3% weekly. The company does all the work while you sleep, and you get to enjoy the earnings. No recruitment is necessary. To participate in the staking, all you need is an active silver membership, which is $10 per month, and a minimum stake of $100. With a silver membership, you can also refer friends, and you can earn a 20% commission on any membership dues paid by your active personal referrals. You will get paid through level 8. There is no sponsorship requirement for you to get paid on the global Team 4x8 network. Now, if you decide to refer friends and want to maximize your income, then we recommend you choose a gold membership, which is $30 per month. You will earn a 20% commission on any memberships paid by your active personal referrals. Also, you will earn 10% on any staked amount by your referrals. Both of these commissions will be paid through level 8. Additionally, if you have an active gold membership and your immediate 4 personal referrals have a gold membership, you will earn a 25% car bonus, which is 25% of your referrals' income. Active gold members can qualify for our Infinity House bonus. Let's go over the title qualifications after the silver and gold membership ranks. Silver Director. Active silver membership and maintain 1 personally referred active member. Gold Director. Active gold membership and maintain 4 personally referred active members. This can be any combination of personally referred active silver or gold membership types. Area Director. Active gold membership and maintain 4 personally referred active gold members. Regional Director. Maintain 4 personally referred active gold members and $30,000 in group volume with a maximum of $15,000 coming from your strongest leg. You qualify for a 1% Infinity bonus. Executive Director. Maintain 4 personally referred active gold members and $100,000 in group volume with a maximum of $50,000 coming from your strongest leg. You qualify for an additional 1% Infinity bonus. National Director. Maintain 4 personally referred active gold members and $250,000 in group volume with a maximum of $125,000 coming from your strongest leg. You qualify for an additional 1% Infinity bonus. Global Director. Maintain 4 personally referred active gold members and $1 million in group volume with a maximum of $500,000 coming from your strongest leg. You qualify for an additional 1% Infinity bonus. The Infinity bonus is paid from the 9th level down through Infinity in each leg until you are blocked by someone that has qualified to achieve the same rank as you or above. You will continue to receive the Infinity bonus percentage on your other legs where you are not blocked. Thanks for watching.